I changed the art style of my game from looking like this to this, and it took me way more time than I would like to admit. So I decided to create most of the art assets of the game myself, despite having zero experience or training. Naturally, I went straight to Udemy for help and picked up this awesome course. Honestly, the course was really well taught, the steps were easy to follow, and the final results actually looked pretty good. Here are some of the environments that I made by following along. These looked decent, which meant I was finally ready to create my own unique environments for my game, right? These were my first attempts. But eventually, I managed to put together something decent. I started with this monochromatic scene and slowly began introducing few extra colors, like the vines around these pillars. The vines look good, right? They are adding more life to the scene, and I may have gone a little overboard with them. So, the way I've been creating assets is by starting with the main shape and then layering highlights and details on top. Take this ground asset, for example. Here's the base shape, then a detail layer, the surface layer, some additional details, and finally, vines. Let's look at another one. Base shape, some leaves, a random bud-like thing, more leaves, and of course, vines. I also created some more assets like these plants, some floating ground elements, and this background. Now these can be transferred to our game engine. I also added a bit of parallax and blurred the background layers to bring everything together. Let's also add a fog effect, some wavy water using a simple shader, a few leaf particles, and suddenly the scene looks way better than before. With the art style of my game mostly locked in, I will now be focusing more on the gameplay elements. Drop a follow if you want to see that. Till then, have fun.